SlowCast English, Episode 21, Before Bed.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you use your phone at night?
A little.
I read before sleep.
That's a good habit.
Do you sleep well?
Yes. Most nights.
That's great.
Good sleep is important.
Yes, for our health.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, at 6.
That's good.
Sleep well tonight.
Introduction to this podcast. Conversation about sleep habits. Grace and Noah discuss their bedtime routines, phone use at night, and the importance of good sleep. Grace reads before sleeping and wakes up early, while Noah goes to bed around 11 p.m. and sleeps well most nights. They agree that good sleep is essential for health.